Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson, The Adventures of Toto. And in our previous class, we have talked that grandfather has bought Toto and he was very fond of animals. It was kept as a secret. The presence of Toto was kept as a secret, and finally grandmother accepted the Toto. And since Toto was a very mischievous pet, or you can say the monkey, it was very difficult for the family to keep. Let's see what happened further. There are 6 points I have written. Some of the relatives, writer in the writer's house, some of the relatives had come to visit them in the house. And Toto tried and put every effort. Toto tried every effort. Toto tried very hard to catch hold of the aunt's skirt and tear it with its teeth, make a hole on the skirt. And every time aunt used to pass, Toto tried to catch her skirt. Toto tried and put every effort to catch hold of aunt's skirt and made holes with its teeth. You can see how mischievous it is. So, a table was laid for the lunch. A table was laid. Plates, glasses, everything was laid down on the table. The table was prepared for the lunch. There was a big bowl of palau in the middle of the table. A table was laid for the lunch. There was a big bowl of palau on the table. Biryani was there on the table. Toto entered the room. Finding no one in the room, Toto entered the room from the window and began to stuff its mouth with the palau and began to eat the palau. Stuff means put it, force. Began to stuff its mouth with the palau. Started eating. When grandmother entered the room, the dining hall, you can say that. When grandmother entered the room, Toto picked up the plate and threw at her, at the grandmother. When grandmother entered, Toto threw a plate at her and grandmother began to scream. Hearing the noise, aunt entered. Hearing the noise, aunt entered the room. As she entered, she received a glass of water on the face. Toto picked up a glass, there was water, and it threw the water on her face. And she also started screaming. Hearing the noise, grandfather came with a big stick. Finally, grandfather came with a stick. It was afraid of grandfather, seeing the stick in his hand. But Toto, from there he got up from the table, he stood, picked up the palau and made his good escape from the window. He went out from the window with the bowl of palau in his hand and climbed the jackfruit tree. Nearby there was a jackfruit tree. But Toto took the bowl of palau and made his good escape from the window. He escaped from the window with the bowl of palau and climbed up the jackfruit tree which was there nearby. So it climbed the jackfruit tree with a bowl of palau. It sat there on the branch, high up on the branch, and ate the whole day. By evening, by 3-4 o'clock, when Toto finished eating the palau, then grandmother came down. Grandmother began to shout, "Come down, come down." Then he had finished the palau. He dropped the bowl and it broke into 100 pieces with a big noise, with a loud noise, and started chattering, jumping in the tree. It seems that Toto was enjoying the sound of the breaking of the bowl. So he dropped the bowl. It broke into 100 pieces. The bowl broke into 100 pieces. It was made of china clay and it enjoyed the sound of breaking the bowl. The sound of the breaking of the bowl, it seems that the Toto is enjoying. Finally, the writer he belonged to a middle class family. They were not very rich. They could not afford the loss. They cannot pay or make up for the loss every time. Toto used to break things very often. And finally, as they were middle class family, grandfather decided, will not keep this pet because it keeps on breaking things. We cannot bear the loss. So grandfather sold Toto to the Tonga driver, same Tonga driver. He purchased for 5 rupees, but this time he sold it for 3 rupees. He sold it for 3 rupees. To the Tonga driver for 3 rupees, he sold Toto back, as they could not bear the loss because they were of middle class family. They could not bear the loss. That's why grandfather decided to send or sell Toto. So Toto was returned back to the Tonga driver at the cost of rupees 3. So in this way, this was the adventure of Toto with the family, writer's family, adventure in the writer's family, and he made a big loss in the house. Things were torn, things were broken, and whenever the guest came in the house, it tried every effort to catch hold of the skirt and tear it and pull it and this. So, but still, grandfather loved the pet very much. But he could not bear the loss. That's why he had to sell Toto to the Tonga driver for 3 rupees. So that's all for today. We have finished the lesson. Now we go through the lesson carefully and try to understand the whole chapter properly. It's not very difficult, but still you need to go through the online portal so that it becomes clear. So then you remember things clearly. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching.